So ACHR stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Now, this is super interesting. Is it a buy is the question, which I'll be answering in this quick 1-minute video. Now, here's the thing. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, which I've documented all. And the one thing that I'll tell you is that I'm not going to randomly start buying here. But I'm just basically waiting for a second break above $10.60. Now, why exactly that price? Well, maybe because I already got the first break and I'm only one break away to buy this. And same way I was waiting for confirmation here, which I got that delivered plus 5R. I'm looking for the same exact way here. And technically it's a very decent mitigation. Like you can see here, it's coming from this low to the top. And if there is a confirmation bottom, I'm looking to take it further higher. And now I'm just waiting. You know, I'm not in any sort of rush or anything, but still just briefly overviewing ACHR. And yeah, this could be very interesting. You know, like I do have a bunch of receipts with 22 results in the Discord, but really not something that I'll immediately gonna start buying. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce and emails and all that good jazz, I'll show you how. First link in the description. It's free.